Ibanez serving strong to open things up. Another strong serve. Scraping the net though. Ordiales, that was his spot in that last set. De La Noche. Covered by Ancheta. Disquetado, three-man wall, no problem. That one will go through. De La Noche denied by that Sampaloc wall. Colmenares also limited to just 1 point so far. Disquetado put up by Josh. Now he fires from the back row. Shouldering a lot of responsibility in the meantime. Ancheta pushing forward. Ibanez again from the back row. And that is inside. Disquetado. One-on-one versus De La Noche. Just storing it off his hands. Back row. Unstoppable. Josh Ibanez. Scary times. Ibanez is heating up. Ancheta tossing it to Ordiales. Try digging that, says Leo Ordiales. Leo Ordiales. 4 serving 6. De La Noche. Nabitin. Disquetado. Medyo malayo. But he manages to find a way. He must come up big. Valera, even he was surprised. Yales set the serve. Gambao, back pedals for an Ibanez hit. Here he comes. Target Mukaba. Ordiales right back. G-Boy naiangat. Back row hit from G-Boy De Vega. For NU, 3-point lead UST. Ordiales. He targeted the libero for that one.
That's his version of a back row hit to help NU in scoring those points.
Popoy Colmenares being activated by Ducks. Malay mo, future star of UST. In the meantime, Ordiales will be dug by Ibanez. De La Noche away from the net. Ordiales back row. Great floor coverage for Josh. Leading to that hit by Trevor Valera.
Defense now holding up for the Golden Spikers.
Malay mo, future star of UST. In the meantime, Ordiales will be dug by Ibanez. De La Noche away from the net. Ordiales back row. Great floor coverage for Josh. Leading to that hit by Trevor Valera.
Defense now holding up for the Golden Spikers.
Serving 14, Greg Ancheta with 9 excellent sets. And speaking of an excellent set, another one by Ducks Yambao. De Vega continues to be the target. J-Rack, good dig by Jimwell. Chance ball UST. Ibanez, this time was rejected. Bench players. Valera. Slowly heating up here. He's being activated.
Tying the output of Josh Ibanez.
7 attacks. Short. Buds Budin announces his entry.
First attempt, first point for Buds Budin. Elevation is still there.
De La Noche striking from the back. Picked up by Choi Diao. Budin will try again. Drop ball. Good save by J-Rack. Ibanez, drop ball. This is how you do it, says Josh Ibanez.
just displaying his volleyball IQ. He waited for the blockers to descend before going to that drop ball, and that just messed up their timing. That's where things change.
Great receive by Alabar. De La Noche, saved by Gapultos. Buds Budin puts it down. No, he won't. 2 points for Buds Budin as they cut this lead down. Obed. Alabar, good pickup. G-Boy using Budin's hands. Budin will serve once more. Ibanez, one blocker, but Greg Ancheta with a big block.
Block party continues for the NU Bulldogs. Single block against one of the
entire set, but NU thanks to Buds Budin. That's this lead down to 1. Interesting serve there for Buds. Ibanez pinabawi.
By Ancheta in that last point. He adjusted the angle in his attack. That's why he was able to get that.
Strong serve by Josh. Jade awaits for it and fires away. You saw it coming from miles away. Ancheta, back to Jade. Trevor Valera with a big block.
Single block against Jade Desquitado. Look at how he dropped his left hand to block that cross-court angle.
Sharp one. The reverse, Ordiales. G-Boy was there. Did not power through, so Ordiales. Valera using his left hand. Covered by Ancheta. Budin. He has been the answer. G-Boy. Ibanez. Set point after another block by Choi Diao.
Already a tight 3-man block. Look at that, nowhere to go.
Set point NU. Yambao, combination play. UST asking for a check ball, but NU celebrating. We first have a challenge. First block touch challenge by the Golden Spikers.
The blockers of NU look confident. There was no block touch on that G-Boy De Vega hit.
Here in set number 2, Neil, UST had it going, up by 5.
Yeah.
Coach Dante looks to his bench, looks at Buds Budin, says, I need you, and he has answered the call. Right now, they are 1 point away. Yun pala yung sinasabi ni Coach Dante na, it depends. No block touch. The NU Bulldogs. Another close one that they finish on with composure. And now they are 1 set away from making it back to the UAAP Finals.